Okay, so now I want to walk you through a couple of examples on these word problems. I'm just going to do a couple, and you guys are going to have to do the rest on your own. But I do want to make sure that you have a good understanding of what you are doing. So here we go. On this first one, it says that a child has a mass of 33 kilograms. What is the child's weight on Earth? Okay, so for this equation, you guys are going to use your weight formula. W is equal to mg. All right, so for those of you with the circle formula, I know a lot of you prefer the circle formula, so that would be W is on top, M and G is on bottom. All right, for this one though, you notice that it tells us that it only has a mass, so that is an M of 33 kilograms. It is asking for the weight, so therefore, you know that you're looking for W, which means we should have G. So hopefully you guys remember that G was given to you. I just talked about it in the notes a little while ago, that G, hopefully you guys recognize, is 9.81 meters per second squared. So all you're going to do is just take those two values and plug them in. So W is equal to 33 kilograms times that 9.81 meters per second squared. And of course, just get your calculator and plug that in. So you get 33 times 9.81, and you get 323.73. And remember that weight is measured in newtons, so that's going to be a capital N. All right, you will be using this weight equation for several of these problems. All right, now I want to kind of scroll down and pick out some of the other problems and give you an example of some of those so that you guys are familiar with them as well. Let's see. How about number 4 here? Number 4 here says that Mighty Mouse is pushing a refrigerator. Eventually, the refrigerator moves so that it accelerates at 0.015 meters per second squared. If the mass of the refrigerator is 246 kilograms, what force did Mighty Mouse apply to the refrigerator? All right, so this first thing here tells us that our acceleration is the 0.015 meters per second squared. It tells us that our mass is 276 kilograms. That's our next value here, mass. And it asks us to find what is the force. All right, so we know that we're looking for F. All right, so the other equation that you're going to be using on this worksheet is going to be that F is equal to MA. F is equal to MA. So you are, for those of you that like the circle formula, again, here it is for this one. And that's going to be F on top, M, and A. So if you do need to manipulate that in any way, there's a circle formula to help you out. So you're just simply going to take F is equal to MA. You're going to plug in your values like we always do. So the 276 kilograms times 0.015 meters per second squared. And grab your calculator, multiply 276 times 0.015. And you should get a final answer of 4.14. And again, this is a force, so hopefully you guys remember that force is measured in newtons. Okay, so both of those circle formulas are provided for you. If you need to manipulate them, remember you just cover up what you're looking for. If they're on top of each other, you divide. If they're side by side, you multiply.